Okay, this is Sesi. There's a little squirrel out there, right there. And she is just going crazy. She wants to play with, oh, look, it got a pear. There's a pear tree out there. There he goes. Well, he's hungry. He needs something to eat. He's on the steps there. Oh, God, she's going crazy. Okay, he's gone. Okay, get down. Down. Oh, Lord. She goes crazy when she sees the groundhog, too, but she barks at him, and then he runs under the house, so I haven't had a chance to get him on film. But she wants to play with that squirrel. She's wagging her tail. Her cackles aren't up, so she just wants to play with it, Don't you? You want to play with that squirrel, don't you? I know, baby. I know. Oh, goodness, she gets so worked up. Okay, guys, I think the excitement's over now. All right, see you next time. Bye-bye.